Welcome to The Healthy Lemon, where we focus on good quality ingredients in both our food and our drinks. This is the first video in our Mocktail series, so if you enjoy it, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Today we've got a delicious grapefruit mocktail, and all you'll need is a grapefruit, lime, date sugar, maple syrup, and your choice of sparkling water. This recipe is enough to make 2 drinks. You'll start with your grapefruit. You'll need 4 ounces of grapefruit juice, slice it in half, and squeeze out as much of that juice as you can. You'll need 2 ounces of lime juice. 1 lime and 1 grapefruit should be enough. I did have a pretty big grapefruit, but I had extra left over, so I would recommend 1 of each. Next, add in your maple syrup. You need about 1 to 2 ounces. I probably did a little bit more than that, so just add in as much as you'd like there. And for the date sugar, you'll need 2 teaspoons, so add that in and then mix everything together. Now that we have all the ingredients mixed together, we're ready to add in the sparkling water. So take 2 glasses, add in your ice, and pour your mixture over the ice. The only thing that's left is to add your sparkling water on top, mix everything together, and garnish with your lime. This drink truly makes the perfect mocktail because it tastes really good, but it's not something that I want to chug down right away. It's the perfect drink to sip on, and the color and presentation looks really nice as well. Let me know in the comments what you think of this recipe. If there's anything that you would add or change, please let me know as well. Always looking for new ideas. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is just the first video in our mocktail series. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. The goal is to release 1 to 2 mocktail videos here every week, so you always have new good ideas to enjoy. Thanks for watching.